How to host a meeting on JoinMe for Android. If you wish to host a meeting, please create an account and sign in on the Android app. On the app, tap on the button Host a Meeting. On this page, you have the option to host your meeting on your personal link. This option will allow you, if you do all the session on your link, not to send every time the link to the person who you wish to invite. You can also use a single-use code. This will allow you to generate a new ID every time you start a meeting. Also, you can use a conference call only, so this will get you only an audio conference call. Below the Start button, you will have the option to auto-connect to audio and video. Also, lock the meeting will make persons not to be able to join the meeting. I will turn off this because I want others to join to the meeting. Now, let's start the meeting. When you start the meeting, on the top, you will have this pop-up. You can close this after you invite the person who you wanted. You can just copy the link and send it how you wish, or simply tap on the share link. You can also communicate the ID directly with a SMS or a call. Let me show you how to share the link. Tap on Share Link. Now, select the app you want to share. I will share the link on WhatsApp group I created. Let's get back to the app. On the bottom, you have three options: camera, microphone, and share screen. If the buttons are red, then it means you have not connected a camera or microphone. So just tap on these two buttons to activate or deactivate microphone and camera. We will talk in another video about sharing the screen. Also, on the top, we have the audio option, participant button, and a three dots menu. If you tap on the audio button, you will be able to turn off speaker, mute speakers, or hang up internet calls. Also, near the audio button is the participant button. Here, you will see a list of participants. If you tap on the three dots menu from yourself, you will be able to change your name or switch camera. Also, on the top, you have the option to invite others. You will be able to share the ID on all the apps from your phone, like Facebook, WhatsApp. Also, on the top, you have the lock option. On the three dots menu, you can also start a record of the meeting. You will see a record icon on the top. Now let's see how it looks when somebody wants to join the meeting. You can allow the person to enter the meeting or deny. Let's allow it. You will see now that we have two persons at the meeting. If you tap on the participants menu from the top, you will see the list. If you tap on the three dots menu from the person who joined, you will be able to start a chat and pass the presenter role. Also, you will have here the option to remove it from the meeting if you need to do this. If you wish to see that person bigger, just tap on the circle where it is. After you have finished the meeting, just tap on this button from the top and end the call. After the meeting is finished, if you recorded the session, you will receive an email with the record. It might take some time until you get that record, so please wait until JoinMe processes the info. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.